So hi everyone. So today we'll be uh, revising how can we access items in a list, right? So for that, let's just jump into our terminal. We're currently inside our directory, so I will just activate the virtual environment. Source data bin activate. Now I will just open the notebook code data. Now it's open, right? So what I'm gonna do is that I will create another shell out here. Now we'll just comment out accessing list items. Let's create a list. Fruits is equal to mangoes, comma apple, comma banana, comma pears, comma pineapple, right? This is one list. Another one with meat. It is chicken. Then we have mutton, we have fish, we have crab. So this is two lists that we created, right? Now how do I access mango from the list fruits? There is one way, that is lists items are accessed via its index numbers. So what is index number? Index number is starting at the position where the mango is stored, and subsequently other elements in the list are stored accordingly. So if I write print fruits, there is 0. Let's see what will print. I'll just need to set my mango. So we got mango, right? This is about accessing items in the list. Now suppose I want to basically get two items from the list. Like I want mangoes and I want banana. How can I do it? So let's do it like this. Print fruits. What are you gonna do here? It says that we need to access mango. Mango is at 0 position, right? And we need banana. Let's see whether this way it works. Banana is at 2. I don't know whether it will work or not. So no, this is basically what it did is that at the 0 position it is mango, so it selected mango first, correct? Inside the mango it selects the second index basically for the mango, the each character, so 0 1 2 n, so it selected n, right? But we want mango to banana. For that we're gonna do one thing that is important concept, which is called slicing. So to get mango and banana, we will have to write 0, 2. It says list indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. Okay, got it. So it says that list indices should be integers. So in order to select mango and banana, mango we select with 0, then banana we'll have to select. So there is one way, I guess there will be much better way also, but let me just do it again. Fruits, two. Now it will print mango banana. So we are basically writing it like that. It's not about slicing out here. Slicing is about is used when we need to print with a range. Now let me just go to slicing concept here. Slicing, right? Now what are you gonna do here? Suppose in the mid section I want to print only these three: chicken, mutton and fish. How can I do it? That is an important concept of slicing. They slice a portion. So if I just type this in the start index, so basically we will just use 0 is to, now it is at 0 0 1 1 2, but 2 will never include this one. So for that we'll just need to write 3. So if I print it, chicken, mutton, fish. So what does it do is that in the slicing method, the starting index will include the value itself, and the end index will include the value -1, basically the previous value, right? And more of the concepts here. Negative indexing, it is one important aspect. Now I'll just do one negative indexing. Now in the fruits list, I want to get pineapple. There is one way that we can do. Basically I just write print will be fruits, right? What is the index basically for fruits? 0 1 2 3 4. So if I just write 4 for pineapple, it will give me pineapple, right? Now I can do it in this other way also, using negative index. Print fruits -1 pineapple. So in the reverse order, the starting element would be from -1 index. Got it? Now range of index, so that we selected, it's basically kind of slicing, wherein we just selected range, based on that we get our value. Now let's do some more of the slicing here. Remember that slicing is used, and when also semicolon should be used when finding out for a particular range. When you want a particular range, we need to separate them using semicolon, then only we can get the list with the required range. Now herein, if I type print is to 2, that is fruits. Now what does it do? Now if I use semicolon in the beginning, it means it considered the whole list. From there it selected 2 and 0 1 2, so it will print mango and apple. Try and understand this fact. Column is used, it basically means the whole list is considered and the value after on the right of the column is the index, that is the stop index. So the value that will come out will be the previous value of the index, basically the value at the index 1 here, 0 1, so mango apple. Similarly, if I do print meat, I'll just do 1 is 2. What will it print? Try and answer it in the comments below. So here 1, so it is 1 means 0 and 1 is this index, that is the value is mutton, right? So 1 is 2 means all other. You will consider all other at the right of it after mutton. So basically it will print fish, mutton, fish and crab, because what important slicing is the start index will always be included and there are the rest will come up if only column is used. Why it is used? Mostly to consider the whole list. Now if I want to slice a list at the particular point, just like here I did at the index 1, so it will include the index 1 and the value after it, right? This is how you can do slicing. There is one important aspect also. For instance, there is one more of slicing that I want to revise also, that is fruits. Now here we're gonna do is that I will just do 1 is 2 start, stop and step. Basically we can give values like that. I want to stop at 3 is 2 2. Now what does it do? We'll start at 1 0 1 3 0 1 2 3 4 is there, so step is 3, so stop is 3 1 2 3, step would be 2. So basically the value would be banana, I guess, apple. Okay, got it. Why did serve it apple? Well, for lists I just need to find it out. I have to just go about list, start, stop and step, right? So what does it do? So step, the index is the number where the sequence begins, stop the index or number where the sequence ends, and the increment value between each elements, how many items to skip. Got it. Okay, so here is one example is there. Here is a list of numbers, so it is 2 is to 7 is to 2, start, stop, skip. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the that is the value or the elements that it considered for the indexing slicing part. Now it will just step out to 2, so it will just give 2, it is 20. Just a minute, 2 is there, right? 0 1 2, it is 20 is there, then 1 2 40 is there, 1 2 then 60 is there. Got it. So here I guess since my list is not huge, so I did a big number out here. What I can do is that start is 0 is 2 3, Now what I'm going to do is that we'll start at the index 0, that is mango. 0 1 2 3 till this mango to pears, the elements are considered. Now it says that it is 0, this mango, apple, banana. So if I mango, apple, banana, so it printed in the order. The last one will never get printed. Correct. Now there is one more thing that I can do to just remember it. So if I just write fruits, here, it will be 0 is to 4 is to 2. What will it print is that start, stop, step. This will start with mango till pineapple. Basically the whole list is selected. That we can do in different way also. That also. So here it will be 0, it is mango. Then the second step will be, so it is banana, then pineapple. So it will print like this: mango and banana. Correct. That is 0. Second step will be banana until the list ends pineapple. So this 2 will not be printed. This we can do in another way also. Print fruits is to 2. So what does it says that? It says basically that you just select whole of the list, right, and just take 2 steps, right? So if I print it, mango, banana, pineapple, starting, then after 2 indexes banana, then next 2 would be pineapple. Got it? So this is all about slicing. It is very important concept in lists. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I did remember basically revise this portion, and I did got hold of it in a better way now, and I hope you would be also learning this thing and find this useful. Thanks for watching. So have a great day. We'll carry on the next concepts.